In computing, an input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information appliance. A keyboard is a human interface device which is represented as a layout of buttons. Each button, or key, can be used to either input a linguistic character to a computer, or to call upon a particular function of the computer. It acts as the main text entry interface for most users. Mouse are the most commonly used input devices today. A mouse is any human interface device that allows a user to input spatial data to a computer. In the case of mouse and touchpads, this is usually achieved by detecting movement across a physical surface.
A touchpad or trackpad is a pointing device featuring a tactile sensor, a specialized surface that can translate the motion and position of a user's fingers to a relative position on the operating system that is made output to the screen. Touchpads are a common feature of laptop computers as opposed to using a mouse on a desktop, and are also used as a substitute for a mouse where desk space is scarce. A webcam is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in real time to or through a computer network, such as the internet. Webcams are typically small cameras that sit on a desk, attached to a user's monitor, or are built into the hardware. A touchscreen or touchscreen is the assembly of both an input and output device. The touchscreen enables the user to interact directly with what is displayed, rather than using the mouse, touchpad, or other such devices other than a stylus, which is optional for most modern touchscreens. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. Joysticks are often used to control video games, and usually have one or more push buttons, whose state can also be read by the computer. A popular variation of the joystick used on modern video game consoles is the analog stick.
Microphone is a voice or sound capturing device that sends information to the computer and convert it to a digital sound format. The digitized sound can be recorded or saved, edited, playback, uploaded to email, and many more. Digital camera is a photograph capturing device or video device in which the captured images or videos is transferred through a wire connected from the device to the computer, or through the memory card of the device and placed in the specific slots of the memory card in a computer. Recent technology uses Bluetooth in transferring data from the device to the computer with the same Bluetooth capability.
A scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages of text. When a document is scanned, it is converted into a digital format. This creates an electronic version of the document that can be viewed and edited on a computer. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into a human-readable form. It can be text, graphics, tactile, audio, and video. Examples include monitors, printers, speakers, headphones, projectors, GPS devices, sound cards, video cards, optical mark readers, and braille readers.
Monitor, a screen device which displays the information from the computer to this device. Monitors were developed similarly with the technology of the televisions. Early computer monitors were designed with cathode ray tube display or the use of vacuum tube to show the information generated by the computer. Further development resulted in the use of liquid crystal display, and latest technology utilizes light-emitting diode display of computer data. Speaker is a hardware device that converts a signal of the computer's sound card into an audio. Computer design lately contains internal sound and external sound, and the newest design uses Bluetooth technology or wireless design.
Headphone is an output audio device designed for single listener. The design varies in sizes and shapes, but most of all it is designed as audio device without disruption to the other people in the vicinity. Printer is a hard copy creating device. Information from the computer that is sent to the printer utilizes electronic data system converting the information into a printed output. Printer comes in different types such as dot matrix, inkjet, laser, and the latest technology connection system uses USB cable connected printer and wireless system.
Dot matrix printing, sometimes called impact matrix printing, is a computer printing process in which ink is applied to a surface using a relatively low-resolution dot matrix for layout. Dot matrix printers typically use a print head that moves back and forth or in an up and down motion on the page and prints by impact, striking an ink-soaked cloth ribbon against the paper. A single print device that serves several functions, including printing, faxing, scanning, and copying. Also called a multifunction printer. All-in-one is often abbreviated as I/O. Laser printing is an electrostatic digital printing process. It produces high-quality text and graphics by repeatedly passing a laser beam back and forth over a negatively charged cylinder called a drum to define a differentially charged image.
Wireless printers, also known as Wi-Fi printers, can connect to a network without needing to be hardwired cabled into that network. Once a wireless printer is connected to a Wi-Fi network, the computers, smartphones and tablets also connected to that network can print to the Wi-Fi printer. A projector or image projector is an optical device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly a projection screen. The memory storage device is the hardware of a computer that stores the processed data of files or folders in the computer. The types of memory storage devices include hard disk drive, flash disk or thumb drive, CD or DVD and memory card.
Flash disk is a small rectangular data storage device that is plugged into the universal serial bus port on the computer used for data transfer of files from one computer to another. Capacity of the flash disk or thumb drive varies such as 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB storage capacity. Compact disc is an optical memory storage device and the data is viewed by a compact disc read-only memory of the computer. The compact disc rewritable or CDR is used to load the data into this memory device using rewritable compact disc drive unit. The standard capacity of a compact disc is 700 MB.
Digital Versatile Disk is an optical memory storage device for digital data of 4.7 GB, a larger storage capacity than the CD. The information in the DVD is read by the DVD-ROM drive. The DVD-RW is a rewritable DVD in which the data is loaded or copied using the DVD-RW drive. Memory card is an electronic data storage cartridge device used for storing digital information from the computer. The storage capacity is 4 GB up to 128 GB. A hard disk drive, hard disk, hard drive, or fixed disk is an electromechanical data storage device that stores and retrieves digital data using magnetic storage in one or more rigid rapidly rotating platters coated with magnetic material. A solid-state drive is a solid-state storage device that uses integrated circuit assemblies to store data persistently.